Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Fifa soccer ball. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing a large circle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the details. Let's start inside and let's draw a curve up in the center. And then on the right, let's bring it down. And then bring it down to the bottom with a wavy line. Now from the left side, let's bring it down and curve it in. Now let's hop in and let's draw the trophy. Let's start with a curve up, leaving the bottom open. Now from the left, let's draw a curve up, and then bring it down and up on the right side. Now from each end, let's curve it in and back out. And close it off at the bottom. Now at the bottom, let's add some stripes with 2 lines across. And 2 more on top. Now inside, let's draw a long curve down and up. An angled line. And then a bent line underneath. Now let's add the number 26 behind. On the right side, let's add a line out. And curve it across to the other side. Now let's curve it back in and bring it out. And add a line down. Now for the left side, let's curve it down. And then a line across and continue it on the other side. Now for the number 6, let's bring it out and curve it down on the left. And a curve down on the right side. Now let's bring it back in and a larger curve down. For the left, let's bring it down and in. And close off the bottom. And then inside the letter 6 here, let's draw the word FIFA. Now that we're done the trophy, let's add a few stars. Let's add one at the top. And one at the bottom. Now let's hop out and let's continue the pattern on the ball. Let's start on the bottom right and let's draw a wavy line down. And another one on top. Now from the top, let's add another curved line, stopping halfway. And let's curve it over to the right side. And the same thing from the top. Now for the next section, let's start on the left here And let's draw a large curve up and bring it down to the right. And let's continue it by curving it all the way up and over to the right side. Now from the bottom left, let's bring it over and a wavy line down and over to the right. And let's add another wavy line across inside the bottom section. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw another stripe. Starting on the top right, let's draw a large wavy line over to the left side. Then let's curve it up on top. And then let's curve it down and across. Now inside the left section, let's draw a curve down near the top. Bring it down. And curve it over at the bottom. Now let's add the Adidas logo inside. Let's start with an angled line. Angle it down from the top. And a straight line across at the bottom. And then close it off. Now we're going to leave a gap and let's do the same thing. And one more smaller one along the edge. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve down on the top left. And another one next to it. And then close off the bottom. And now on the top left here, let's draw a curve down. And another one inside. Now let's hop back up to the top in the center and let's draw an angle down and curve it over to the right. And then another one on top coming to a point at the end. Now in this right section, let's draw a curve down. And curve it all the way back up. And then close off the top with a curve across. Now inside this section, we're going to draw some stars. Let's start with a large one near the top. Then a smaller one at the top here. And then two more at the bottom. Lastly, at the top, let's add one more wavy line across. And that's it for this FIFA ball. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!